Hi, hello again. Well, let's continue with this course. Now, let's see how we can execute our Android application. Okay, just remember this application is the Hello World, is the first one. So, actually, if you remember, we never changed the code, so we are using the template. Okay, and just very quick overview. Let's see the project. Okay, the project is this one. Let me move this, and we have two files for now. Well, we have more obviously, but just to for the first code, or for the hello world. If you see here, the main activity, this one, okay, is a very basic activity. I will explain later this code, okay, and everything. But for now, you only need to check your code because I think it's the same, obviously. But well, maybe just confirm that, okay. The second code is in the XML, okay, no, sorry, layout, okay. It's an XM file, but you can see in a different ways, okay. This is one. We have three options. I will explain all of this later, okay, but now I just want to share a couple things. We have design, split, and code, okay. Actually, split is the combination of code and design, okay. So actually we have two options, code and design, and split is a mix, okay. You see code, design, and split, okay. It's very easy. I will explain this interface because it's important for everyone if we want to start with Android, okay. Well, let's you can see the same code is a constraint layout if the main container, because, well, we say is the main container because it's the first one, okay, and all the elements is the rest of the elements, they are inside, okay. Well, that's all for now, because the main activity for now is we want to execute this example, okay. And remember, in the last video we have we create actually a emulator, okay. This one, for example, I have four, so I can execute any of them, but I have actually, you see, I have two emulators running. Flutter emulator this is the name, okay, and Pixel. I use Pixel because Pixel is this one. Flutter emulator I have in a separate for another projects, okay, not for this course. So well, they have Pixel 7. Remember, if you want to start the emulator, just click here to start the emulator. I know this is working because you see a different icon. This icon is for only to stop the execution. If you see, it's the stop. The string says stop the emulator, okay. That's the point, and here is to play the emulator or execute, okay. Well, we have the project here. In this moment we only have one project, but you know, when you create a project in Android, you can divide the project in small modules, and you can, maybe you need to execute the number one or the number two. That's maybe, I don't know if we will see that later, but it's just a comment for now. Well, let's execute this. The most important and the faster way to do that, to execute, is in the top, okay, in the top side of this Android Studio, this tool. You will see in the right side this one, okay. If you see, you have a section to select the application, like I said before. You can execute a different modules or projects, okay. In this, for now, you will see only this one because it's the only one. Later you will see the emulators or devices. you can see here different devices, because at the end you can connect your cell phone, actually your mobile. You can use a mobile without not in your computer. Okay, you can use a device, for example, using Wi-Fi. That's another way to do that. But well, for now we are talking about the emulator here. Okay, so I need to select Pixel. Okay, and later you have a play button, this one. So I will click here and just wait. If you see, that's the point of this video. I will explain that things. If you see in this part on the bottom, you will see this kind of legends, Gradle be running, because at the end you are working with a huge project. Okay, maybe you think it's very easy because we only need to work now for 1 or 2 or 3 files. But at the end, it's not too easy. We have a lot of dependencies, we have a lot of flavors, we have a lot of versions, a lot of channels. If we need it, we have different modules. So it's not too easy. It looks very easy, but it's not. So well, that's you need to be very smart to detect and read the behaviors or the strings of the message. Okay, I will teach you later. Okay, but for now, like it's just a hello world, so it's very easy for now. Obviously, you see this, you can see this. Okay, if you see here, let me increase this. You will see the string hello world in the middle of the screen. Okay, so well, this is your hello world. Congratulations, we execute our first application. So well, this is the first step. I know it's very easy for now, but the most important thing for now is we need to start thinking about the details here in Android development. Okay, because the hello world is we don't need to do anything. Okay, that's the point. But at this moment we learn a lot of Android. Okay, we know more things from Android, because now you know what is this key, you know what is a plugin, you know how do you need to create a project, why do you need to choose a version. Okay, you know about the project structure, and you know how you can create an emulator. Okay, and for now, the last step, now you know how you can execute a Android application. So well, maybe if you think a little more, you will see now you know a lot of things and new things. So well, this is we are working like baby steps for Android development. So well, congratulations again. This is your hello world, and let's continue.